You gotta accentuate the positive, eliminate the negative, and watch out for Mr. In Between. Hey, hello and welcome to the Man Cave here at Wistful Vistas, located in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. Quick vlog this morning. I know it's been a hot minute since I've been online, but hey, I got a life to live too, don't I? We have the Rock Brothers add-on kickstand for my eMountain bike. Not the lightest, but not the heaviest at 10.1 ounces. Comes complete with Allen wrenches, a 4mm and a 5mm. And I'm going to attempt to put this on my Cube eMountain bike while you watch. Stay engaged. This is really important. Are you there? So the Rock Brothers is attached to the bike, as mentioned, by 4 and 5mm Allen bolts. The height of the kickstand is also adjustable. So depending upon the height of your bicycle, they do give you that option of sliding this bottom arm in and out. So we'll take a look at that too. Hey, it gets even more interesting. Howdy, it's me. First note to make is be careful when removing the little side clamp on the kickstand, because there's caps that go over the end of the screws, and these can fall off and roll under a bench. Also, there are pads in the clips that hold them to the bike. These can also fall off and roll under a bench. You might ask yourself, how do I know that? Because they fell off and rolled under a bench. Don't make the same mistake. Don't make the same mistake. Just a note, kickstands traditionally go on the left-hand side of a two-wheeled vehicle. Why is this? I don't know. Maybe you could tell me. But we're going to start here and install it there. Okay, we are defeated. It's official for now. For now. Note to anybody thinking about this add-on to their e-bike or mountain bike is to make sure you get the dimensions of your swing arm here. They're rectangular in shape, tapering rectangles, it looks to me, and the opening provided by the Rock Brothers is just that little bit too narrow. Therefore, they're further apart than the bolts that were supplied with the kit. So I have to order some longer bolts. I'm going to order some 40mm. They're M4 or M5 by 40mm. So I'm going to order some longer bolts and see if that won't take care of the problem. But for right now, it's over. And just to bring it in close and personal here, I'm talking about this part right here. And these bolts, they're just not long enough, because when I put it on my swing arm, this is just that far away where these won't engage. So we'll try it. I'll get back to you later. Wah, wah. It is definitely a first world problem.